Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I want to share with you another unboxing video. I purchased some things from Green Fairy Quilt, and I want to show you what's in here. I did already take a peek. Scrap bags. I decided to order a couple more scrap bags. I just shared some that I got from Fat Quarter Shop, and these are from Green Fairy. These are actually, they're $12.99. And let's see what's in them. This one I opened. Those are pretty colors. You can see. I don't know if you can see. Lots of blues, a gray, teals, teal prints. These are all 2.5-inch strips. It looks like it's a coordinated group, so they are beautiful. I really like to get the salvage edges, but maybe they aren't doing that anymore. This last couple that I've gotten are 2.5-inch strips. So if you are looking to build up your stack, this would be a great thing to do. I like this. And I have one more. And it's the same thing. It's 2.5-inch strips. Salvage is on the very edge. And I'm not sure what's all in here. Let's see if we can go this way. Different colors. I'm not sure what this collection is. Lots of fun colors and prints. So like I said, if you're looking to build up your 2.5-inch strip stash, these would be great to do. What else did I buy? Like I said, those were $12.99. I also bought a Fat Quarter bundle. I just wanted to see what it was like. And this is the bundle, and it's 25 Moda Fat Quarters. Looks like it's a big variety. You can see they're all different. They're all this is another way, if you are trying to build up a stash, this would be something else. It would be great. Great to buy. I don't know if you'll be able to see these here. Ooh, I like that. I have a pretty good stash, but you can never have too much. So I'll be adding these to my stash. It's not a coordinated bundle, it's just an assortment. But there are some pretty fabrics in here. There's a lot you could do with it. I hope you can see these. And 5 more. So it's kind of fun to see what you can do there. And then I bought a mystery bundle of 5 half-yard pieces. And I believe these are all Moda fabrics also. So these are half-yard pieces. That's a beautiful piece. Green floral. A cream. In fact, this looks like it might be the same cream. This print. This is fun. Huh. It's a neat print. And then a blue. And let's see. And they also sent Green Fairy, sent a pen along. So this is a great way to add fabrics to your stash. So put those there. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.